off your project, you're going to go ahead and knit 2 stitches. And then take the first stitch that you knit, pull it over the second stitch and off of your needle. Then go ahead and knit 1 more stitch. Again, take that first stitch on your needle, pull it up and over the other stitch and off of the needle. And you'll continue this for the entire row. When you reach your last stitch, you can go ahead and cut your yarn. And then take your yarn and slide it through that last loop to secure. And that's how you cast off.